Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you how to add thumbnails to Facebook page videos. First, open Play Store. Click to search bar. Now, search Creative Studio. Install this app and open it. Log in your Facebook page. Click this button. Click on the video you want to add a thumbnail to. Now, click this pen icon button. Click here to add new thumbnail. Allow the permissions. Select the thumbnail you want to use in the video. Now, set the title of the video. Click the Save button to save the thumbnail to the video. If you like the video, please like it, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe and select bell icon to all. Thanks for watching the video.